Neuralink is a company founded by Elon Musk in 2016 that aims to develop brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, to enhance human capabilities and create a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence. The company has been working on implanting tiny electrodes, or threads, into the brain to create a direct connection between neurons and computers. In this 10,000-word brief note, we will delve into Neuralink's history, technology, and working. History of Neuralink. Neuralink was founded by Elon Musk in 2016 after he became convinced that human-AI symbiosis was necessary to prevent humanity from being left behind by AI. The initial goal of Neuralink was to develop a way to interface with the brain that would allow humans to control computers and other devices with their thoughts. In 2017, Neuralink presented its first public demonstration, which involved a rat with an implanted electrode array controlling a computer cursor with its mind. In 2019, Neuralink held a public event where they demonstrated their progress on developing brain-computer interfaces. During the event, Neuralink showcased a small computer chip that could be implanted into the brain to read and write neural signals. The company also revealed that they had successfully implanted these chips in rats and were preparing to test them in primates. In July 2020, Neuralink received approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, to begin human trials of its brain-computer interface technology. The company has been recruiting participants for the trials, which will involve the implantation of the threads into the brains of volunteers. Technology behind Neuralink. The technology behind Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces involves implanting tiny electrodes, or threads, into the brain. These threads are thinner than a human hair and are inserted using a surgical robot that minimizes the risk of damage to the brain. The threads are designed to be flexible and can move with the brain's natural movements. Each thread contains dozens of electrodes, which can pick up signals from individual neurons in the brain. These signals are then transmitted to a computer chip that is implanted on the surface of the brain. The chip processes the signals and sends them wirelessly to an external device, such as a computer or smartphone. The ultimate goal of Neuralink's technology is to create a high-bandwidth, bidirectional communication interface between the human brain and computers. This would allow humans to control computers and other devices with their thoughts and receive sensory information directly into the brain. Working of Neuralink. Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces work by reading and writing neural signals in the brain. When a person thinks about moving their hand, for example, their brain sends electrical signals to the muscles that control the hand. Neuralink's technology can pick up these signals using the implanted electrodes and transmit them wirelessly to a computer or other device. In addition to reading neural signals, Neuralink's technology can also write signals back into the brain. This allows the brain to receive sensory information directly from a computer or other device. For example, a person with a visual impairment could receive visual information directly into their brain, bypassing their damaged eyes. Neuralink's technology also has the potential to enhance human capabilities. For example, it could be used to restore mobility to people with paralysis by allowing them to control robotic limbs with their thoughts. It could also be used to enhance memory and cognitive abilities by directly stimulating certain areas of the brain. However, the development of BMIs also raises important ethical and privacy concerns, as it involves accessing and manipulating the most intimate and personal aspect of human identity, the brain. As such, the development of this technology will need to be accompanied by careful consideration of ethical and legal frameworks to ensure that it is used responsibly and for the benefit of all.